We're here with Josh. We've had a long history. Josh is a BC boy, and he brought a very unique product to market. Tell me a little about your product, Josh.
Definitely. So we're most known for our CO2 generator called the Enhancer. It's user activated, meaning no CO2 is produced until the final consumer adds 1 liter of warm water and shakes the bottle. It's refillable, which is a really unique feature to our product. It's also very safe and very effective. Plants really react super well to the CO2, and gardens really thrive.
Cool. What does CO2 do exactly, and why should someone have CO2 enriching their garden?
So CO2 is one of the main components of photosynthesis. And one of the biggest problem in an indoor garden is plants will use up the available CO2 and then go without. That then becomes the weakest link. So when you can supplement CO2, it helps in so many different ways, and your plants really, really benefit.
So what's someone going to be paying for, say, one bottle?
One bottle retails around $39.99, and then the refills are about half that price. So it's a really inexpensive way to supplement CO2, and we honestly feel it pays for itself come final harvest.
The length of time that bottle's going to be producing CO2, how long is that going to last?
So if you're agitating it daily, which we recommend in rooms up to 12 by 12 space, it's going to last about 2 to 2.5 weeks at the high levels and then kind of slowly taper off. In smaller gardens, you can get away with shaking it every second day, and as a result, it'll last about twice as long.
Cool. Great seeing you, Josh. Thanks so much for coming out to Lift & Co. and great things.
Right on, man. Thanks
Cheers.
a lot.
Cheers.
Cheers.